On Toronto streets, the hot dog is still top dog, even if customers aren't always sure how well the food has been handled. Do you think most of the vendors are clean and safe?
I have no idea.
Yet there are questions about what some hot dog vendors are serving up after revelations the owner of a fleet of hot dog carts is being allowed to stay in business despite serious health code violations at one of her stands.
The condition was very, very poor. Inspector observed that actually there was a rodent infestation, mouse infestation, inside the enclosure of the hot dog cart area.
The problem cart has been shut down, but Toronto's licensing tribunal has given the operator another chance to keep running at several other locations.
This is a very unfortunate circumstance. It is not endemic to our industry.
A problem for vendors like Marianne Maroney, who say they work hard to maintain cleanliness.
Every hot dog vendor has hot and cold running water. I also have an extra hand sink.
A failing grade from public health means going out of business.
I think that Torontonians should feel quite confident. You're always going to have a rogue operator. It's unfortunate.
Hot dogs aren't considered a high-risk food because they're pre-cooked. Every stand is inspected, issued a pass or fail grade by the city. Most of the city's street vendors have an excellent record with Toronto Public Health. However, they're only subject to inspection one time per year. That leaves consumers to report problems when they see them. Most still trust that Toronto's street eats are safe.
I think a good bit of them are. It's their product. They probably eat it themselves.
Maybe if you can see by looking at it if it's okay.
What are the things you look for?
If there are many people buying, if it looks clean, and well, that's basically it.
Now, with violations as serious as the ones found with this particular vendor, we're told that her other remaining locations will be monitored very closely by Toronto Public Health. Worth noting, though, that most of the violations uncovered in a typical yearly inspection are minor things like not wearing a hat. Leslie?
Jackson Prosco downtown. Thanks, Jackson.